Hello everyone, I'm Carrie Buziak of AON Celtic Art. I'm a published author and a Celtic artist teaching modern techniques in ancient art. I'm here today to share with you 2 more prizes in my Celtic giveaway. So today we're going to feature the coloring books. So you'll receive my Celtic Mandalas coloring book as well as my Celtic Crosses. These are my 2 best-selling books. That's right, best-selling on Amazon. Yeah, it's not a New York Times bestseller list, but I'll take it, right? So these are the 2 coloring books that you'll receive if you're the grand prize winner of my Celtic giveaway. That's running from July 25th to 31st. There's lots of different ways to enter, so don't forget to check that out. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next 2 prizes that I'll be featuring for my Celtic giveaway. Bye!